Hi, this is Chloe Mallon reporting live from the Rack Shack in the math hallway. This is Christina Arendale. We're going to ask her some questions about her feelings on the Rack Shack. Christina, what grade are you in?
I am a sophomore.
What are your feelings on the locker?
I think it's cute and a good idea.
Any guesses on who's in charge of this?
I have no idea. Probably someone in music.
Do you think it's a girl or a boy?
A girl, based on the handwriting.
Have you taken any food from it?
No, I didn't know it existed.
What food do you think looks interesting here?
There's granola bar.
So the Rack Shack here, it explains that on Mondays there are candy bars. On Tuesdays you can put prayer requests in. On Wednesdays, a healthy snack. On Thursdays, tea. On Fridays, there will be food. So what do you think? Would any of these days sound interesting?
The tea.
Do you think you'll come next Thursday and get some tea?
I will definitely come.
Well, this is Chloe Mallon reporting live from the Rack Shack.